Introduction to Blender 2.8 Timeline. In Blender 2.79, the timeline was used to add keyframes for an object, set the type of keyframe that you want to add, and set what property key set you want to keyframe. You could also create your own key sets in the Scene tab of the Properties editor. Other than that, the timeline could be used to set the current frame, the start frame, and the end frame. Markers could be used to create reference points so that when you switch between objects, you could know when you would want actions to take place. Though all of this is still true in 2.8, more features and functionality were added to the timeline. Not only can you now move, scale, and duplicate keyframes for one object, you can do all of that for multiple objects at the same time. When you scale keyframes, Blender uses the current frame as the pivot point. You can enable or disable proportional editing in the timeline editor by using the keyboard shortcut. However, it does not work entirely as intended at this point, and I think that it is something that they are going to try to implement in the future. This is something that I discovered while recording the script for this video. Keyframe indicators also got an upgrade and are clearer as to what type of keyframe they are. Keyframes are yellow, breakdowns are blue, moving holds are dark yellow, extremes are red, and jitters are green. Each keyframe indicator type is a different size, with breakdowns and jitters being slightly smaller than the others. Lastly, you can expand one object's keyframe track to show each property that is keyframed as a different track. You can manipulate each property separately, as well as creating and deleting keyframes. This has been a long topic, and if you are still here, I would like to say thank you for watching the video, and happy animating.